Recently, someone close to me was in the hospital, and that's when I truly understand the power of insurance. And for most of us, we don't get insurance until we see those expensive hospital bills. So, here are a few things that I understood from my experience. Insurance is not about making money, but think of insurance as a safety net so that it saves years of hard work that you have put together. While there are many insurance in the market, there are these two insurance that you should consider. Life insurance that protects your income and health insurance that protects your saving. Rest insurance like car, homes are more like add-ons. Also within life insurance, there are many types of insurance. Some insurance talks about saving, while some talks about bonuses, returns or maturity value. Sounds interesting, right? But when insurance does the two job, that is protecting your money and growing your money, I think protection comes secondary. So look for something that gives the pure protection, like term insurance. It's boring, it doesn't offer you any return, but it gives you a full coverage at very low cost. While there are many insurance in the market, here are three things that I always consider while helping someone to pick insurance. First, find enough coverage and not the cheapest premium. When you're sitting in the hospital, you don't want something that gives you a limited protection, but you want something that gives you a full coverage. So, for life insurance, look for something that supports your family, and for health insurance, look for something that handles the medical bills. Second, does the company actually pay claims? Every insurance company has this number called as claim settlement ratio, and if it's more than 95, it's good to go. So it simply means out of 100 people that claimed for insurance, 95 people have got the claims. Third, keep it simple. If an insurance has a lot of terms and conditions, it's probably not beginner friendly. Look for something that's simple to understand and easy to get on board. So most of you people might be working and your company will have your health insurance, but the moment you change your job, your insurance disappears and your risk does. If insurance still feel confusing to you, DM insurance and I'll help you to pick the right insurance.